So the first interaction that I like to show you is, let me show you again the phone, is a poll. So the poll in this case is non-peer influence. You see that my colleague already answered it. And the question is, are you familiar with the construction plans for Eiburg? I am, so I click yes. You see now my answer also coming in. If I hit the space bar now as a facilitator, up, it will show the answers. So in this case, we'll have two people that one is that's me is familiar, and there's somebody somehow familiar. So this is kind of a knowledge question. The poll is often used for that, so you know what kind of knowledge you have in the room. It's not really for discussion, but it is nice to have as a poll insight. So we have the same kind of poll available, but now it shows immediately the answer. So the question is, how many additional islands do they intend to build? My colleague already answered. I know the answer here. It's actually 3. So I will click this, tuck, and you see immediately the results coming in. So compared to the other one, it is peer influenced. It's a bit more fun because you see immediately the interaction of the phones.